Hi everyone, my name is Paul. Today I finally received lavalier microphone which I ordered from AliExpress during the last Black Friday sales. Aputure A.Lav is its official name. It cost me 29 euros and it took me more than a month to arrive it from China to Spain where I live. Well, I can't complain too much as shipping was totally free of charge. I have to say that this is my first ever review video. Hopefully you'll enjoy and it will be useful deciding to buy or not to buy this lavalier microphone. So let's see what's inside. It comes in a nice storage box. This is microphone's control module. Audio input and output, charge and monitor ports and solid steel wire clip. Also, there is indicator light which is green if microphone is on and red when you need to charge the control module. This is the lavalier itself. As you can see, the wire is rolled up on the cable winder, which is quite convenient, I think. Also, you can find this funny floppy windshield. Incredible, but you even get the duct tape in a set. And that's not all. 3 adapter cables are included in this set as well. One for the recorder or DSLR camera, second for charger, and third for your mobile device or tablet. I haven't mentioned that you also get product manual in Chinese and English, also a warranty card. For less than 30 euros you really get more than you expect. Now let's see how this microphone works. Before starting to use it, we need to insert lavalier's plug-in into the microphone's control module audio input port. The green light indicates that it's on. Depending on which recording equipment you are using, you should use different adapter cable and plug in it into the output port. Now I will connect it to my DSLR camera. Everything is connected now, so we can start the test. To make it more interesting, let's compare Aputure A.Lav's and cheap no-name lavalier's microphones recording quality.
Round 1. Fight!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's make the task even more difficult. I will try these both microphones while the washing machine is on.
Round 2. Fight!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before ordering this lavalier microphone, I was really excited about the possibility to connect headphone set and achieve real-time sound monitoring while recording interviews. I should admit that I'm a bit disappointed, because with my headphones from Samsung mobile phone, I could not do that. At the moment I can't say if it's the A.Lav's or my headphone set issue. I think I'll go and buy new headphones and try it again later. For the conclusion, I would say that both lavaliers sound not bad at all. Still, if you listen more accurately, A.Lav completes the task better. So I officially announce A.Lav as the winner of this sound test. However, if you are on budget, cheap lavalier microphone is not a bad option at all. That's all for today. I hope this video review will help you to decide if Aputure A.Lav is the right lavalier microphone for you. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for my channel. Bye!